Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X3 GT and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to find home screen. As you can see here, we've got the system navigation, so let's tap, and we've got two different options. Of course, here we've got the gestures. This is the option we're looking for. We've got also the animation of how to use it, but I will explain it. Before we will actually set the gestures, just a quick disclaimer about the buttons. As you can see here, you can also customize this type of the navigation. So you can mirror the buttons, you can simply reorder the back button and the recents, you can set some button shortcuts, and you can disable navigation buttons. All right, so let me set the gesture. So first of all, we have to tap on this option, and your device would like to open the tutorial of how to use the gestures. Of course, you can go through it and learn. I don't want to do it because I already know, and I will explain it to you also. Here we've got the options which are connected with the gestures. So as you can see, instead of the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. If you want to, you can also hide it. And I prefer this option to be turned on. So you've got this clean screen kind of. Here you've got also the gesture confirmation, which basically means that if you will, for example, watch a video or play a game and you want to get back, you will have to double the gesture to confirm that you really want to do it. Of course, you can turn off this option. All right, so let's learn how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, just like that, until we will see this arrow. And after releasing the finger, we will simply go back. It works also from the right side, so it depends which option is more comfortable for you. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, you have to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And here we've got the home page, and in order to open the recents, we have to do the same. So from the bottom to the center, and this time hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. All right, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.